In this video, we will see tense 12 types. Let's see one by one. Present simple. In present simple tense, we use subject plus first form of verb and we use s and es. So here I have I, that is plural in form. So I go. Present continuous. In this tense, we use is mr plus first form of verb with ing. So here comes I. So we use am with I and going ing form. Present perfect. In this tense, we use has, have and third form of verb. Here we have I. So we use have with I. So I have gone. Present perfect continuous. In this tense, the structure will be has, have plus first form of verb with ing. And we also use since and for in these sentences. Since with particular time and for with the time period that you are uncertain about. So here I have been going will be the right. I hope you will able to learn how to use present tense. Now move on to past. Past simple. In past simple tense we use second form of verb. So here second form of verb of go is went. I went. Past continuous. In every continuous tense, we use verb form that is followed by ing. So we use was were and here I was going. Past perfect. In every perfect tense, we use third form of verb. In present, we use has, have and in past, we use only had. Either a singular subject or a plural subject. With every subject we use had and third form of verb. I had gone. Past perfect continuous. In continuous we use ing form. Here we have only had, so I had been going. You can see the pattern that in present perfect we use have and in present perfect continuous we also use have been, and same happens in past perfect and past perfect continuous. Let's see the last one, future. Future simple. I will go. We use will shall with first form of verb. Future continuous, as action is going on continuous, that will continue in future. So I will be going. The structure is we use be with will shall. Future perfect. In every perfect tense, we use third form of verb. Here we have will shall have. I will have gone. So we use will have in future perfect tense. Let's see the last one, future perfect continuous. In future perfect continuous, we use will shall have plus been and action is continuous. So we use the verb form that is followed by ing. I will have been going will be the correct one. You can see guys, we have continuous action in a perfect form. So we use ing form in every sentence. Present perfect, continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous. So here we have a very simple structure that you can learn in a very easy way, that continuous always followed by ing form, perfect always followed by verb 3, and you can learn simple, present simple that is followed by simple first form of verb with s or es, past second form of verb, and future same first form of verb. If you find this video helpful, then share it with your friends, like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you have any doubt, you can comment me.